Hey guys, I'm Tyler with Covered 6. I'm here with Condor today to talk to you about 3 very adaptable chest rigs. So the first chest rig we're going to talk about is the modular chest panel. As you can see, just looking at it, it's a very minimalist setup. It's got the heavy duty webbing, the loop panel here in the front for any of those identification patches. Off here to the side, we've got the Swivi-Lockster that moves with you on the move, and a very adjustable X harness and waist strap. And that pretty much sums it up for the modular chest panel. Now for the second chest rig is the Ops chest rig. It's the one I'm wearing right now. It offers the most real estate for MOLLE webbing. It comes with the heavy duty MOLLE webbing, padded shoulder straps with built-in D-rings, and just like the previous chest rig, it has the X harness in the back that's completely adjustable. It also has 2 utility pouches on the side and an admin document pouch here in the middle secured by hook and loop. Now for the next chest rig is the Ronin Chest Rig. It's more of a vest style, so it's easy to get on and off with these buckles. It's got padded shoulder straps with built-in D-rings. Has the heavy-duty webbing all across the side here in the front. On both sides, it has 2 document pouches here with mesh on the inside and a completely adjustable H harness on the back with a drag handle and a loop panel there. That's the Ronin Chest Rig. To tighten down the X harness and the waist strap, pull the excess through the buckle until you've reached your desired size. Pull that excess through the tri-glide and tighten down with the strap keeper. So there you have it, guys. 3 very adaptive chest rigs designed specifically to be customized by the user for whatever mission they're up against. If you'd like more information, visit the website at condoroutdoor.com. If you'd like to purchase one, go to any Condor outdoor dealer. I'm Tyler from Covered 6. Until next time.